Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about adjoint of a matrix and theorems. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det A into I. Next, definitions. Singular matrix. What is singular matrix? If A is said to be singular matrix, then its determinant is equal to 0. Next, non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means if its determinant not equal to 0, that is called non-singular matrix. And theorem: A is any order of order n, then it is invertible if and only A is non-singular. So that is that theorem. From that we derive that A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. So these concepts yesterday discussed, and next we start that problems of exercise 4.5. 4.5. This is determinant chapter. Exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Okay. First question. Find adjoint of each of the matrices in these two problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second problem. 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. I will explain an example how to find adjoint. What is adjoint? Transpose of cofactors. First of all, you find cofactors. For this is direct. Will do no problem. Second, first problem 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. First of all, you find cofactors. Afterwards, take transpose. That is nothing but adjoint of this matrix. Do these two problems. These two are homework. Next question. Verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det A into I. This is theorem proved yesterday already. Okay. Take one problem. Third one. 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Okay, this is let it be A. Okay, what is this one? A. That A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Adjoint A is 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. These two interchange. These two elements sign change. This is equal to minus 6, minus 3, plus 4, 2. This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Now check. A into adjoint A into adjoint A. Okay. A where 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Adjoint A. Minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. First row, first column. 2 into 3, 2 into minus 6, minus 12. 3 into 4, plus 12. 3 into 4, plus 12. Next term, this element. Multiple with this and this one. Minus 2 3s. 6 3 2s. Plus 6. Okay. Next this row and this column. 24 minus 24. 24 minus 24. Next term. Minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 minus 12. So this answer is minus 12 plus 12 value 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. 24 minus 24 value 0. 12 minus 12 value 0. We got answer. What is that? A verify. A into adjoint is equal to actually get A into I. Okay. So see. So this answer is equal to 0. Okay. We'll check out what is Z. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 2 3 minus 4 minus 6. Its determinant minus 12 minus half minus 4 into 3. That implies minus 12 minus 6 minus plus 12 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So determinant value is equal to 0. So therefore det A into I, det A into I, det A value 0. I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. 0 into all values, multiple with all values 0 0 0 0. So therefore similarly adjoint into A also same answer. I will check out. That is this value is equal to 0 0 0. Det A is equal to 0. Therefore similarly adjoint A into A is also 0 0 0. Therefore A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det A into I. Det A into I. So that is the verification. That is 2 by 2 matrix. Let's see next problem. 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Next fourth problem. Say verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A is equal to det A verify. Fourth one. 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. Right. First of all, already A is there. We want adjoint A. Adjoint A means first of all find cofactors. Transpose of cofactor is the definition of the adjoint A. So first of all find cofactor. So cofactor of 1 denoted by capital letter this one A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 suffix values 1 plus 1 into its minor deleting this one this column 0 minus 2 0 3. So this value is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 1 0 minus 0 answer 0. So finally this answer is equal to 0. Next up, A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, deleting this row and this column. It's minor only it's minor. Deleting this row and this column, remaining elements. 3 minus 2 1 3. Okay, so this is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 1. Determinant 3 into 3 9 minus or at minus 2, that is minus 2. So therefore this value is equal to minus 1 of 9 minus 2 minus plus 2 11. This is equal to minus 11. Next one, A13 cofactor of 2 present in A13 means first to third column. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3. It's minor. Deleting this row and this column is it's a minor. 3 0 1 0. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3. Even number plus 1 of 0. 3 into 0 minus this one. I am sure perfect how to take multiply this value determinant. Okay, 3 into 0 minus 0. This value is equal to 0. Okay, right. Next up, cofactor of 3, nothing but A21. A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power of, consider the suffix values, 2 plus 1 into its minor, deleting this row and this column, remaining elements, this and this. It's minus 1 2 0 3, deleting this row and this column, minus 1 2 0 3. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, minus odd number, minus 1, this value, minus 3, minus 0. So finally minus 1 of minus 3 is equal to 3. Next up, A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 and its minor, A22, deleting this row and this column. So this minor is 1 2 1 3, deleting this row, this column, remaining 1 2 1 3. Therefore minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, even number, plus 1 of 3 minus 2, 1 of 1 is equal to 1. Next step, A23 this element. So A23 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. It's minor. Deleting this row, this column, 1 minus 1 1 0. 1 minus 1 1 0. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. Minus value. Minus 1 0 0 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So that implies minus 1 of minus into minus plus 1. So finally this value is equal to minus 1. Next one, A31 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. Deleting this row and this column. Minus 1 to 0 minus 2. Minus 1 to 0 3. Okay. Deleting this row and this column. Okay, we want a 3 1. Deleting this row, this column. Minus 1 to 0 minus 2. Okay, this is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. 4, even number. 1. Minus it must plus. 2. Minus 0 into 2. Minus 0. So finally, this value is equal to 2. Right. Next up, A32. Cofactor of this element. Cofactor of that element. This element present in a third or second column. That's why A32. So this one. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2. And it's minor. What is minor? Deleting this row, this column. Minor. 1 to 3 minus 2. 1 to 3 minus 2. 1 to 3 minus 2. Deleting this row and this column. 1 to 3 minus 2. Right. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2. 5. 5 means odd number. Minus 1. So 1 minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 3 twos. 6. That implies minus 1 of minus 12. So minus into minus plus 12. Plus 12. Right. Last. A33. Cofactor of this element. Cofactor of this element, that element present in third row, third column, A33. Deleting this row and it's minor. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3. Deleting this row, this column. 1 minus 1, 3, 0. It's minor. 1 minus 1, 3, 0. Okay. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, even, plus 1. Plus 1, 1 into 0. 1 into 0, 0. Minus, okay, alright. Minus 3. So that implies 1 of minus into minus plus 3. So finally this value is equal to 3. So these are the cofactors. So like this we find all cofactors of these elements. So now we'll write cofactors all in matrix form. This is 0. This is minus 11. Okay. A11, A12, A13, 0. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, This is the cofactor of it. We got adjoint A. Adjoint A is, so this is let it be B. Cofactor of A, let it be B. Therefore, that implies B transpose. So transpose of this one. So therefore, B transpose is equal to adjoint A, let it be B. What is transpose? Interchange the elements 0, minus 11, 0, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 12, 3, 2, 12, 3. So this is the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactors. Transpose of cofactors. So this is very important transpose of cofactors. Right. Now verify. What will verify this one? A in adjoint A is equal to adjoint A is equal to that A into I will verify. Now we'll take A into adjoint A. So that implies A value 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3. Adjoint A 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 12, 0, minus 1, 3. Okay. This is the A into adjoint. Multiply. First row, first column. First row, first column. 1 into 0, 0. You'll take plus minus 1 into minus 11, plus 11. Next plus 2 into 0, 0. First element complete. Next up. First row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. Plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Third element. First row, third column. 1 into 2, 2. Minus plus minus 1 into 12. Minus 12. Plus 2 into 3, 6. So, first row elements completed. Next up. Second row. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 3 into 0, 0. Second row, first column. 0 into minus 11. So that is 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Right. Next one. Second row, second column. 3 into 3, 9. Plus 0 into 1, 0. Plus minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2. Okay. Next one. Second row, third column. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 0 into 12, 0. Plus minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Next. Third row, first column. This is the seventh element. Third row, first column. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into plus, 0 into minus 11, 0. 3 into 0, 0. Right. Next. Third row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. 0 into 1, 0. Plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Last element. Third row, third column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 0 into 12, 0. Plus 3 into 3, 9. So 11, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 12, plus 8 minus 12 plus 8. So once you look at this first row, third column, 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 into 12, minus 12, 2 3 is 6. Okay, minus 12 plus 8 minus 4, right? So this is 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 6 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 9 plus 2, 11. So here also we will want 0, by mistake. 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 12. Let's check. Minus 1 into 12, minus 12, 2 3 is 6. So you want what you show 8 adjacent that 8 once you check this cofactor once again, this value 12 or not. Alright, this element is this one. Deleting this row and this column, minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6. Okay, right, cofactor of cofactor of 0 means this element present in A to A31, sorry, A32. A32 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, it's minor. Deleting this row and this column, deleting this row and this column. 1 2 3 minus 2, 1 2 3 minus 2, 1 2 3 minus 2. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. So that implies minus 1, minus 2, minus 6, minus 8. This is equal to 8. Okay, this is 8. Once previous already arranged, there in 12 place 8. In 12 place 8. By mistake, we wrote here 12. So that's why we also treated as that element is 8. This is 8 instead of 12. In place of 12, we will write here 8. 8. Now we will check. Y means we want to delegate y. That's why I have some doubt. This element compulsory 0. Then only we get delta a into I. So that's why again we recheck from back. Okay, this value. So this is equal to 8. So that's why any single mistake means we get full value problem wrong. So that's it. Very careful. Take these cofactors right. So 8. So once right. 1 into 0. Last element. 1 into 2. 2. Minus 1 into 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. 2 into 3. 6. Now 2 plus 6. 8. 8 minus 8. 0. So this value. Okay. Right. So this value is equal to, we show the delta a to I. So we will not find delta a. Okay. Choice also. Starting only find delta a or else. Now we find no problem. Delta a. Delta a value. Along with the first row. Along with the first row. So along with the first row. Determinant along R1 and take. So therefore, delta A is equal to 1 half 0 minus 2 0 3. So here minus already minus 1 is there, plus minus plus. So that y means using cofactor formula. So minus 1 half, deleting this row. deleting this row and this column. 3 3s are 9. So 3 minus 2, 1, 3. Next, plus 2 of deleting first row, deleting third column. Deleting first row, deleting third column. The remaining elements are 3 0 1 0. So therefore, right here, what is determined with that A value? That A value is equal to 0. 1 of 0. Minus into minus plus 1. 3 3 is 9. Minus 2. Here also plus 2. 2 of 3 zeros. 0 0 minus 0 0. Therefore 2 of 0. 2 of 0. Therefore 0 minus plus 11 plus 0. So finally determinant value 11. Determinant value 11. From this matrix, okay. From this matrix, what you find, this value is equal to determinant of A into I. Determinant of A into I. So this can be written as 11 of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this value is equal to 11 of 11 means that A of I. So come to this one. First of all, A matrix. Next, finding adjoint A. First you find cofactors. Afterwards, take transpose. Transpose means adjoint A definition. So that is take transpose. Next, let us take this value A adjoint A is equal to A into adjoint A. After solving the problem, finally we got answer this one 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Okay, 11 take common from the matrix only one time. I mean this is the matrix. 11 of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is the identity matrix. 11 means here we found that A value 11. Therefore 11 instead of 11 write what you write that A into I. So similarly A into adjoint A. Find that value also. You get same answer this one. So I verify. So verify A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint into A is equal to that A into I. Okay. Right. This is the problem. See next problem. Find the inverse of each of the matrices given in the exercise. Inverse of the matrices given matrices. Okay, fifth problem. 2 minus 2 4 3. Okay, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, inverse. Already inverse concept in matrix chapter is there. What is the inverse of the matrix in that chapter? How to find? By elementary operations. Particularly in exam also, they ask given matrix this one. So find A inverse by using elementary operations, either row operations or column operations. Use that method. But here asking just not mention elementary operation. Find the inverse of the matrix. Already explained yesterday theorem. What is the theorem? A inverse. A inverse is equal to that A inverse is equal to, what is the inverse formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by that A of adjoint. This is the, from we derived from theorem, A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular. So that is A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. So det A compulsory not equal to 0. Why? Means A is non-singular. Suppose if det element is equal to 0, so in the process of finding det A value 0 means so inverse does not exist. Directly you write here only, inverse does not exist. So det A not equal to 0. That is A is non-singular matrix. This is the formula to find A inverse. In the matrix chapter, that is by using elementary operations. Second type, that is in one type and second type A inverse. Okay, right. First of all, find adjoint A. Given A is equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Okay, right directly. Adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3. So this interchange these two elements. These two elements sign change. These two elements sign change. So ordinary value also can find, no problem. Ordinary value means find two cofactors. This is interchange. These elements are interchange. These elements sign change. These elements interchange. These elements sign change. That is adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to 3 plus 2 sign change minus 4 2. This is adjoint A. Okay. Next up, we want det A. So find determinant of det A. This value 2 minus 2, 4 3. So that is equal to 2 3s 6 minus 4 2s minus 8. So that implies 6 plus 8, 14. Determinant A is equal to 14. Now A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into 1 by det A. Det A value 14. 1 by det A into adjoint A. Adjoint A means 3, 2, minus 4, 2. If suppose inside you multiply this 1 by 14, 3 by 14, 2 by 14, and next minus 4 by 14, 2 by 14. So what is this value? This value is equal to, no cancellation here, so directly write 3 by 14, 1 by 7, so minus 2 by 7, so this is 1 by 7. This is the A inverse. This is the A inverse. Like this you will find. So what is the A inverse? To find postulate formula, A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. First you find adjoint A or det A, no problem. Det A value 14, adjoint A direct method. First two and fourth elements interchange. Interchange the two elements. Next second and the third elements sign change. So second and third element sign change. Next A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. This is the final answer, A inverse. Sixth one, do homework. Minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. Minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. This is the homework problem. Do homework. Okay, take next one. Seventh one. Find this also. Find the inverse. Find the inverse of. Find the inverse of. Inverse of the matrices. Seventh problem. Let it be A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Okay. Right. What is A inverse formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. 1 by det A of adjoint A. First of all, find det A. What is det A? Okay, 1 of deleting this column and this row. 2, 4, 0, 5 along with the determinant R1 minus plus minus plus minus 2 of deleting this row and this column 0, 4, 0, 5. Next up plus 3 of deleting this row and this column 0, 2, 0, 0. Right. This is equal to 1 of 5 2's 10 minus 0 minus 2 of 0 minus 0 plus 3 of 0 minus 0. Therefore, its value is equal to 10 minus 0 plus 0. So, finally, determinant value how much? 10. Determinant value 10. Okay, next we'll find adjoint. Before to find adjoint, find its cofactor. What is adjoint? Transpose of cofactors. Find its cofactors. Okay, right. First of all, A11 means minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 and it's minor. This segment and this row and this column delete. 2 minor. 2, 4, 0, 5. 2, 4, 0, 5. That implies minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. 1. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Next up, A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, it's minor. Deleting this row and this column 0, 4, 0, 5 is equal to minus 1 of 0 minus 0. So answer is 0. Next up, A13 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3, deleting this row and this column, it's minor 0, 2, 0, 0. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 plus 1, 0 minus 0. So this answer also 0. Next one, A21 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, deleting this row and this column. A21 element, deleting this row and this column. 2, 3, 0, 5. 2, 3, 0, 5. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 1. That implies 10 minus 0 is equal to minus 10. A21. Next term, A21 deleting this row and this column. 10 minus 0, 10 minus 10. Next term, A22. A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, deleting this row and this column, deleting this row and this column. Next 2, 3, 0, 5. 2, 3, say okay. Or that also say A21 deleting this row and this column. 2, 3, 0, 5. Here also A22 deleting this row and this column. Okay, right. Deleting this row and this column. 1, 3, 0, 5. 1, 3, 0, 5. So carefully you observe. 1, 3, 0, 5. It's minus 1 to the power A22 deleting this row and this column, remaining minus 1 3 0 5, right? Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, even number plus 1, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0, 5. Next up, A23, this element, deleting this row and this column, this column, 1 2 0 0. 1 2 0 0. That implies minus 1 of 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Correct. Okay, let's erase this one. So that A value 10, comma, determinant of A value 10. Remember this one. Right. A31 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. A31, deleting this row and this column, 2 3 2 4, this row, this column, 2 3 2 4. That implies minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, even, plus 1, 8 minus 6, that implies 2. Next one, A32 value, cofactor of this one, deleting this row and this column, and it's minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, this row, this column, 1304, 1304, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2, odd number, minus 1, 4 minus 0, this is equal to minus 4, right? Next one, A33 value, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, and it's a minor. What it's minor? Deleting this row and this column, 2 3 2 4. Sorry, deleting this row and this column, column, 1 2 0 2, 1 2 0 2. A33, deleting this row and this column, 1 2 0 2. So therefore, plus 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So these are the cofactors. Right in one matrix. Oh, sorry. This is 10 0. A11, correct. A11 value 10. Cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. A11 10, A12 0, A13 0, A21 minus 10, A22 5, A22 5, A23 0, A31 2, A32 minus 4, A33 2. So this is the cofactor. Right. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of, this one, adjoint A. Let it be, this is equal to B. That implies B transpose, take transpose, 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0, 2 minus 4 2. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A. 1 by det A means 1 by 10 adjoint A. 10 0 0. Yeah. 10 minus 10 2. 0 5 minus 4. 0 0 2. A inverse is equal to 10 by 10, 1, minus 10 by 10, 1, 2 by 10, 1 by 5, 0 by 10, 0, 5 by 10, 1 by 2, minus 4 by 10, minus 2 by 5, 0 by 10, 0, 0 by 10, this is 0. 0 by 10, 0, 2 by 10, 1 by 5. So this is the A inverse. Like this, 3 by 3 matrix. Fine. These problems do homework done. Boys, minus 7 to 0, 10th one. So these three problems will involve 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4. All 8, 9, 10. Find the A inverse. So otherwise, let it be A means A inverse. Otherwise, find the inverse of matrices A or B as anything. So find these 8, 9, 10. Find the inverse of the matrices. Okay, students. Next class we continue now. Next session. Thank you.